The oldest rainforest in the world is here in Malaysia. Hello, I'm Nancy Perlman. On this edition of Eco News, we explore the flora and fauna that can be found in Pahang's Taman Negara National Park. This 130 million year old ecosystem is home to many species, 10,000 plants, 150,000 insects, 25,000 invertebrates, 675 birds, 270 reptiles, 250 freshwater fish, and 200 mammals. We're also going to visit an Aboriginal village and walk on the world's longest canopy suspension bridge. Here at the boat landing, we're ready to enter Taman Negara, Malaysia's first national park, celebrating its 75th year. The journey begins.
Hi, my name is Noel Ismail. We're going to do the night jungle walk, try to find the nocturnal, whatever come out in the night. And normally we highlight for insect. We take about half an hour journey or 45 minutes, depending how. Actually the topic is the wild animals, because they are around this area, people feed them. So like a domestic animal already right now, yeah. So this is canopy walkway where we have to go from here about 1.5 miles.
Throughout the forest walk, there are places where trees are labeled like this Mukang Hutan, which provides this fruit. But without the trained naturalists, we wouldn't know how the local people use it. So it's much nicer to have a guide with us.
The name of this is Machang Hutan. They are woody inside. So this is not really nice fruit. Actually, the taste is sweet, sour, but they got like woody inside. I want to show you one of the fruit. They use this one if they are really desperate in the jungle. So look at these palm trees where they got long stem, and the orang asli use this leaf to make a roof for the hut. This is a termite mound. So here is not like in north of Australia, they got about 5 meters high. That one is one of the biggest termite in the world. But here we also have a 5, but only 5 feet.
During our walk in the rainforest, it's really wise to stay on the path and follow the guide's instructions, because there are a lot of plants that don't want us to get too close. These thorns are very painful. I see so many trees with these step ferns. They just live symbiotically together?
Yeah, they're together.
No parasite?
No parasite, no. It's not like liana. When they're young, they just coil to the trees. When they grow bigger, they will kill the tree. But they not kill the tree, they use the dead leaf for food of them.
The plant eats the dead leaf?
Yes. This one is also good for the bird, for the insect to stay inside to make nest.
The plants here have a symbiotic relationship, so we'll find different trees having vines around them, orchids, and other plants depending on them.
Look at this tree. Is a local name we call pokok merbau. In Latin name, scientific names they call Insia palimbanica. Yeah, the one of the very high quality tree. People can use for many things, not for the birds only. People use for we call utensil of the house, and then also make a chair, make a table. This is a fruit from the merbau tree, yeah, but not the seed, just the bark only, yeah, the shell only from the merbau tree. This tree is small, but they already maybe more than 100 years, because merbau tree they grow very slow. Look at this tree. Local name we call pokok mengkundo.
This is the ancient communication systems. Before all the electronics, they would beat this and be able to tell other villagers to come for various important functions. We're surrounded by the sounds of the rainforest, the beautiful greenery, but also the Timberling River, which forms the border. So on one side is the national park, on the other are villages.
Is where the white tree, you can see they got a little marking from the vines. Vine will be kill the tree, but now no vines over there because still marking from the vines. Look at on that tree, looks like a black rope hanging down from the tree there. There is a timber ants. Million of them from the tree going down here and then cross over here and then go up again. So you know why they just follow the French, because they got smell. If you blow them, they will lose the way. Yeah, because they lose the smell. Yeah, and some of them they carry something. The white things, there is something to build the nest from these ants actually. We call timber ants, not friendly in this group, because these ants only their family. Look at that water, is a little stream. Yeah, only when the rain, they got heavy rain, and then we can see here like a mini waterfalls. And then when they got a lot of rain, that means this water we can drink. For example, on November, December, January, we got a lot of rain, monsoon season. That means this water we can drink. If a dry season, from March to September is dry, if they got a little rain, little water here, that means we cannot drink, because the water is not move. Yeah, and also you know why they got like a little waterfall here. When the rain comes, they got a lot of hill from the left, from the right side. When they got heavy rain on the top there, all of the water from the rain and then go straight to the stream. Yeah, go straight to here. That's why it looks like a drain. Yeah, looks like a drain here. When the dry season is dirty water, not allowed to drink.
This forest is alive with the sound of cicadas, but we're going to get a different view of the plants as we go on the canopy walk on a suspension bridge about 300 feet above the ground and 1,500 feet long.
Alright, now we are on the canopy walkway, one of the longest canopy, nature canopy in the world. They got 570 meters. The surrounding of the canopy walk, you can see everywhere is a green. Yeah, everywhere is a green. But now we cannot see the bird, we cannot see the squirrel or monkey or insect, but we can hear sound of them.
This is truly a family adventure. People of every age, young and old, can do it. It might feel a little scary as it sways, but it's really quite safe. They change these ropes every year to be sure they're very strong. Here, high on the canopy walk, we're able to get a different view. Down below, this tree just looked like a trunk, but as I'm seeing it from here, there are branches and leaves, quite a different look. Oh, there's our walkway down there. We are quite high. Nice to see the tops of the trees. What an incredible journey to see the canopy on the walkway. Quite an experience. Right here at our cabins, the wildlife comes to us. It's so great to see these monkey troops. These spider lilies are beautiful. They're native to the area, so it's easy to plant them around the resort.
Dari pedomok dia. Dari pedomok.
These students are from the Australian International School in Kuala Lumpur. What was your trip like?
Fantastic. We've been up there swimming, doing some artwork, and we just do a bit of recycling because we don't want any plastic.
Oh, that's so important.
It was fun. Taman Negara is great.
We're ready for a boat ride to see the park from the Taman River and stop at an Aboriginal village with the Drongos. There's our resort right in the middle of the park. We can see the rainforest from a totally different perspective. These people are so kind and generous. They're letting us walk through their village, taking pictures of their families and their homes. They really do want us to understand who they are.
Now we are in the Orang Asli settlement. We call this tribe is Batek. Yeah, Batek tribe. They are nomad. They move from the place to the place, and then they also have a few families here, maybe around 10 to 15 family. For this tribe, yeah, we're going to see them later, and then they will show us how to make a fire, yeah, how to make a dark blue pipe, and then also blowpipe demonstration. For this tribe, they got a few reasons why they are moving. The first is if someone die, and second one is a taboo, bad luck, and the third one is surrounding is less food, and the fourth reason is when they got wild fruit, and then they have to move. And also they stay on this place around 2 years, couple years already. They stay on this place. Yeah, so later on we're going to see them. For this tribe, they stay for a couple months, then after that they move to the jungle, back to the nature. That means the children go to the school only couple months. These people still stay on this place, and then also allowed to stay in the park area. Everyone they can swim, they learn all the time actually. Look behind there is a tumbling river. The tumbling river water from here straight to the South China Sea. From the resort to be here, we use the boat for transport. We don't have any road. And then also we still have another village up there, about 280 miles from here, yeah, by boats. And when the water are rising, I mean the monsoon season, November, December, water can be a few meters higher from now. Yeah, maybe it can be 10 or 15 meters deep water. Then also strong current. But now is the water is shallow. So that's why you can see is somewhere there they got a wave. Yeah. Then also we came from the resort Mutiara there. Here to be here we pass a few rapids. On the right is the villages. On the left side there is a park area. Yeah.
The blowgun is a very important tool.
Yes, very important for them. Yeah. So this is like weapon for them.
And it's made out of 2 parts?
Yes, 2 parts. Look here. Yeah, they got 2 parts because
the outer part protects it as they're hiking through the forest.
Yes.
And then it has some material here. What's that made out of?
Made from latex from the tree. If we're not to put this thing, that means not strong enough power. Yeah.
There's the inner part.
Yeah, look.
And then the piece that you have in your hand, what does that do?
This one?
Yes.
This is very important for them to protect this thing. If they got a little crack, that means cannot use anymore.
You have something that shows some markings.
Is a one mark, that means one animal. Bird, squirrel, or monkey. Yeah, one. Another one is they use this thing like a whistle.
This feels like sandpaper too,
sandpaper.
doesn't it?
Yeah, that one is a sandpaper leaf to polish this thing. This is a poison.
Oh, you touch it.
Poison from the tree.
And what is this here? It's very lightweight. It feels like a piece of wood, but almost no weight to it.
So this is we call pulai root, akar pulai, or Estonia. They are really light wood and soft. Yeah.
And what do they use it for?
They put at the back here because for balancing, for balance of the duck. So this duck stem from the palm. This one. Yeah.
Oh, it comes from a different plant.
Different plants from the palm tree.
I have no idea whether or not I'll be able to blow this very far or hit any target. but it'll certainly be a new experience.
Take a deep breath and
I have
hot blow.
to take a deep breath and blow out.
Hot blow, yeah, one time.
Oh, I hit the screen. It takes practice. You're going to demonstrate making a fire without matches?
Yeah, they will do for us. So not to take a core inside, they have to take a bark here. It's good. But if they put this thing, that means cannot use. This is a Meranti tree, a Soria letrosola. This is a rattan. They will friction with the Meranti. They make a little hole here, yeah, and then a little line to put the rattan. Then after that, they are friction until the smoke come out from the hole and the ember come out from the hole. They only use a small rattan. Small rattan is more power, much better than the big rattan. Yeah. This is a palm leaf, and then this is a looks like a cotton, but not a real cotton from the kapok tree. But this they just scribe from the bamboo or from the palm, stem from the palm. They scribe, and then they use this thing to put ember after their friction ember, and then they put it inside and blow a little bit to get fire. If a good wood and good rattan, less than 1 minute. If a not good rattan, a few times they do.
Sounds like I have to take more time.
Yeah, they got two techniques to make a fire actually. So normally here, if they like to show to the tourists, they always use the rattan and the Meranti tree, Meranti wood. But sometimes they use the metal with the stone, just spark to make a fire. But normally people, when they came here, they will show this thing.
Senna, thank you so very much. I'm Nancy. I hope to come back. I appreciate the demonstrations. And in your language, we say, O'Ornella.
Okay.
Our guide is going to show me a traditional dance of the Rong Asi.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Our visit to Taman Negara National Park is enhanced by our stay here at the Mutiara Taman Nagara Resort. They have individual cabins made from local sustainable wood. Their guides are extremely knowledgeable about the plant and animal life. And the fine cuisine is suited for the international visitor, but gives us a taste of local flavors.
Hi, I'm Sabri Abdullah. I'm the front office manager of Mutiara Taman Nagara. And the resort is established in 1990. I've been working here since 1990. The resort is covered by 15 acres. We are eco-friendly resort, and we are the only resort within Taman Negara National Park. All the wooden chalet is from wood. Yeah, I like to work here. Nice place, quiet, and I can meet people from all over the world.
We have just begun exploring Taman Negara, the first and one of many of Malaysia's national parks. Next time we hope to climb to the top of one of Southeast Asia's highest mountains and take more treks in this ancient rainforest. On behalf of our nonprofit organization, Educational Communications and Eco News, I'm Nancy Perlman, wishing you a natural, unspoiled environment.